Civics Chapter 6, Understanding Media. The term media is derived from the word medium. Medium, a way of communication or communicating with others. Media include different channels of mass communication such as newspaper, magazines, journals, leaflets, television, radio, internet and telephone. Media has become an integral part of our daily life. Newspaper, television, internet help us to know about what is happening around the world. Only because of media, only because of internet, during this pandemic, we people continue our study. So we thanks to media, we thanks to internet. In the rural area, a radio has a far wider reach. Not so long ago, people wrote letters to stay in touch with their friends and family. Today, email is an integral part of everyone's life. WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. Through this, the people communicating with others. Through this, the people express their view. It helps us to keep in touch with our friends and relatives in a various parts of the globe at the click of a button. Am I right, everyone? Because media, if we think about the today life, without media, it is not possible. Without net, it is not possible. We connect with each other only because of media. And you people already experience the importance of media during this pandemic. Through this pandemic, only because of media, everything, the awareness spread in the society. Yes. So media is media derived from the word medium, the way of communicating with others. Media is a plural form of word medium. It describes in the various way through which we communicate in society. Because media refer all means of communication like phone, mobile phone, net, radio, television, newspaper, books. Everything is a part of the media. And the media that reaches a million of people or masses across the country or the world, thus they call the mass media. Because the same time they educate, they give information to lots of people, many people, same time. So that is why it is also known as a mass media, newspaper, radio, internet. Now the next one is a media and technology. Yes, media automatically connected with the technology. Here you can see the artist's impression of Gutenberg printing first sheet of the Bible. Right now you have books, plenty of books, but think about the past when there was no printed press, no printed papers. In your history, you read that the people write, the people wrote in manuscript on palm leaf or bark of tree. it would difficult for you to imagine without media. Only because of the media I able to teach you right now. Only because of the internet it is possible that during pandemic we continue our study. Newspaper, television, radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technology. So simply we can say the media is correlate or connect with the technology. People also tend to discuss newspaper and magazine as a print media. So they are the two type of media, print media and electronic media. So the print media like our books, newspaper, magazines. Here you can see on your screen the example or the images of print media and electronic media. Digital media also there, you can see. 100% print media journalist possess mobile phone or electronic media journalist possess mobile phone. So the print media which is on paper and electronic media which is run through electricity. You can see here. These are papers, books, newspaper, magazines, pamphlet, all these are the part of print media. Now the television, radio, camera, mobile phone, or Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all these are the part of electronic media. Today is quite difficult for us to imagine our life without the television, without the net. Television, television has enabled us to think ourselves and member of large global world, because through television, through net, we connect with the whole world. Television image travel huge distance through satellite and cable, as in uh, chapter, air chapter, you learn about the layer of atmosphere, and that the layers thermosphere where the radio transmission is there. So through that that layer, the all signals reach there and come back to Earth. So only that is why the distance to satellite and cable, this allow us view to news and entertainment channel from the other part of the world. What is going in the other part of the world, only through this satellite, through this connection, we able to come to know about what is going in the world. Most of the cartoon and comic or animated pictures you can see, you are watching on the TV, that is mostly from Japan and United States. Now, right now we have a setting in Chennai or Jammu. Can see the image of storm and has hit the coast of Florida and United States. Television had brought the world closer to us. Television brought the world shrink. Yes, isn't it? Shrinking the world, because without any waste of time, we come to know what is going in the corner of the world, only because of the technology. And only because of the technology and media, we come to know about that. Now, media and money, yes. For whatever you are, whatever the telecast on media, whatever on you are reading through the newspaper, magazine, or pamphlet, or notice, everything require lots of money, because in studio it require lots of camera, sound, recorder, many people, labor, transmission, satellite, and all of these things cost of money. Without money, the media is not there. So mass media earn money by advertising. The question is, the media require money. So from where the media get the money? The media get the money from the advertisement. So the way mass media earn money by advertising different things such as surf, chocolate, shampoo, or other thing. Many things in the world. Okay. So the media earn money through advertisement. Advertising a different product. Here the John Albright sit in the front of the apparatus with which demonstrate the Royal Institute. His invention, the televisor or early television. So the media, because media require lots of light system, expensive cameras, labor, lots of things require for telecast a single episode or the news, anything. So that is why the media, you can see through the your when the uh, serials is going, you see the many advertising during that time, because through this advertising they earn money. And mass media constantly thinking of way to make money. One way in which the mass media earn is advertising different like car, chocolate, clothes, mobile, etc. You have noticed that the number of advertisement that you have seen while watching your favorite television show, while watching cricket match or TV, or same advertisement are shown repeatedly between each over and so on, often watching the same image over and over again. Why? Because through this they influence the people mind. They grab the people mind. They influence the people. The producer use the favorite television cricket match. Why are they watching this match and episode? We generally we see a same advertisement, because through they influence our opinion कि आप यही प्रोडक्ट खरीदें. बार बार, again and again, over and over, they are showing same advertisement. Why? Because the advertisement companies give money to them, that particular company, media company. और अगर एडवर्टाइजमेंट कंपनीज गेटिंग मनी तो वो उसको अपनी शो में दिखाता रहेगा, एंड थ्रू दैट द मीडिया अर्न मनी. Through that it influences your mind, it influences your view, then you are ready to buy that particular product. How we come to know that any new product launch in the market? Through advertisement, through media we come to know. Here you can see the one news channel office. The cost of advice on news channel varies rupees 500 to 8,000 per 10 seconds, and depending on the popularity of the channel. Yes, if the Indian-Pakistan match is going, so the companies know very well, the many people connect with that. So it requires lots of money if they want to advertise their product during that cricket match. So it requires lots of money. So they give lots of money to the media to advertise their product. So it is depend on the popularity of the show. So the rate of the price of the advertisement depend on that. Now the next one is the media and democracy. Media and democracy. In a democracy, the media act as a watchdog. Yes, it act link between the people and the government and play an important role in providing news, discussing events taking place within the outside the country. This helps the develop the awareness, public interest about the various government policies and issues. Media also communicate to viewpoint of both people and the government on the major issue and problems. It can be used to ensure that the government does not abuse its power, don't misuse its power. Report of corrupt practice and the lawlessness on the part of the political leader make people conscious about the failing of the government. However, it is important for information provided by media in balance and objective. So it is very important that the information telecast by the media, that should be a fair and balanced. What is the meaning of balanced report? The media report, the player providing information, play a role of providing information, and through that information, the people frame their opinion on particular political party or for the government. So that is why it is a responsibility of the media to provide balanced media report. You can see through this example. Crack down the polluting factories and closure the poultry causes unrest. So what is the balance report? It's mean this example shown us that the balance report means the information that media provide us, it should be balanced, and the balance report is one that discuss all point of view of particular story and then leave it to the readers to make up their mind. The fact is that you had read either newspaper, you would only know the side of the story. If you read the news of India, you would most likely think the protester as a nuisance. Here is news of India report. So through this or daily news service. So what is if we read the news of India, you would mostly frame your opinion that the protesters are noiseless. They are disturbing traffic or continually polluting the city with their factory, leaves you with a bad impression about them. But on the other hand, if you read the story of India daily, the next example, you would know that the protesters are because a lot of livelihood will be lost if the factory closes. Isn't it? अगर बंद हो जाएगी तो बहुत सारे लोग अपने livelihood खो देंगे. So both reports are fine, but the both reports show the different picture of the incidents. Okay, so the balance report is a one to discuss all point of view of a particular story and then leave it to the reader to make up their mind. So the report should be balanced. And writing a balanced report depend on the media being independent. It is very important for this, the media should be independent, because only independent media can coverage the real fair report. So it is very important for that no one control on media, no one influence its coverage, news on media. So no one should tell what the media should telecast. Okay, many times the business the big companies influence the story, the news, influence the media to telecast only that story which save that company. And independent media is an important part of democracy, because on the basis of information which has telecast by the media, after that the public make their opinion on the particular party or government. So it should be real, fair. The media provide that we take action as citizens, so it is important that this information is reliable, not biased, not partial. The reality is that the media is a far from independent. This is the mainly because two reasons. Why? Because the media earn money from the advertisement. First is the control that government has no need on media. Is the control that the government has on the media. When the government prevent either news item, the scene from the movie, the lyric of the song from being shared with the large public, this is referred to censorship. In this way, the government control on media. There have been a period in Indian history when the government censored on the media. The worst of these was emergency between 1975 and 77. In next class, we complete this chapter. Okay, everyone.